If you're a veteran with a service-connected disability rating, any rating, including 0%, government will sell you $40,000 of whole life insurance. They cannot turn you down for your health. No medical exam, no health questions. Cancer, heart failure, diabetes, COPD, none of it matters. If you have a rating, you're approved. Now let me tell you something embarrassing. I've been a licensed life insurance agent for over a decade, 14 years. And I only found out about this program recently. 14 years. Now before you say, Will, that's not embarrassing. That program's new. You're right. It launched January 1st, 2023. So I'm off the hook for the first 11 years, not for the last few. And that still bugs me because I've been on the phone with veterans since 2023 who could have used this, and I didn't have it in my back pocket to offer them. Yeah. Let that sink in for a second because it sunk in for me too. It's called VA Life, Veterans Affairs Life Insurance. Congress created it under Public Law 116 to 315, and it launched January 1st, 2023. Most veterans have never heard of it, not because anybody's hiding it, because the VA doesn't advertise. There's no agent, there's no commission. So there's nobody with a reason to knock on your door and tell you. You don't make $1 if you're enrolled. I'm telling you anyway. Let's go through it. Who qualifies? What it actually pays. The one catch you need to understand before you sign anything. Here's the part that surprises people most. A 0% disability rating qualifies. 0%, meaning the VA acknowledged a service-connected condition, but rated it as non-compensable. You get no monthly check for it. A lot of veterans have a 0% rating and never think about it again. That rating qualifies you for VA Life. Any rating from 0 to 100%. If you're 80 years old or younger, there is no time limit to apply. None. You could have gotten that rating in 1974 and apply tomorrow. Now, if you're 81 or older, it gets narrower, but it's not automatically closed. You may still qualify if you applied for disability compensation before you turned 81. You received the rating after you turned 81, and you apply within 2 years of getting that rating notification. The coverage comes in $10,000 increments, up to $40,000, and guaranteed acceptance means exactly what it sounds like. If you meet the eligibility, they approve you automatically. You apply online and get an instant decision. No underwriter decides if your health is good. Nobody's asking about your health at all. Now let me be clear about something, because I don't want anybody watching this to think I'm describing free money. You still pay a monthly premium, just like any life insurance policy. Guaranteed acceptance means they can't turn you down. It does not mean it's free. Nobody is handing you $40,000 for nothing. For a veteran who's been declined somewhere else, and I've met a lot of them, that's a big deal. But there's a catch, and I'm not gonna bury it. You ever get an offer that sounds too good? Guaranteed yes, no health questions, nobody telling you no? Yeah, your guard goes up, right? But mine did too, the first time I read the fine print on this one. And I wanna say it again clearly, still paying a premium every month. This isn't free, but it's still worth being a little skeptical of. And here's why. Here's the catch. Your full coverage doesn't start for 2 years. You apply, you're approved, you start paying premiums. And the face amount takes effect 2 years after enrollment, as long as you keep those premiums paid. If you die during those 2 years, your beneficiaries get all the premiums you paid, plus interest. Not the $40,000, your money back with interest. If you die after the 2 years, they get the full amount. Now, I want to be fair about what that is, because I've spent my career explaining this exact structure. That 2-year wait isn't a trick. It's what replaces the medical exam. Somebody has to bear the risk of insuring people without asking about their health. The way this program does it is by making everybody wait 2 years. That's the trade. No health questions for time. That's a completely reasonable trade if you have the time. If you're 72 and healthy, take that deal all day. If you're 78 with congestive heart failure, you need to think hard. You need to think about what happens to your family if the 2 years isn't there. A few more things nobody mentions. There's no premium waiver on this program. If you can't pay, it lapses. First premium is due when you apply. Your rate is locked based on your age when you enroll, so it never goes up. That last part is genuinely good. The earlier you enroll, the better your rate is permanently. Let me ask you something. Between you and your spouse, do you know who's likely to outlive who? Most people never think about it until it's too late to matter. So here's the 4 things VA Life does not do, because this is where families get hurt. 1, it does not cover your spouse at all. VA Life covers the veteran only. No spouses, no dependents. And I want you to sit with that, because in a lot of families, if the plan is I'm covered, the plan still has a hole in it the size of your spouse. 2, $40,000 is the ceiling. For most families, that's plenty for a funeral. If you're trying to leave something behind, or cover a mortgage, or replace income, that's a different conversation. 3, no premium waiver. If you become unable to pay, there's no provision that keeps it in force. 4, and this is the one from my world. Remember that 2-year wait, but also remember that even after it, life insurance takes time to pay. The claim has to be filed. The death certificate has to exist. and that life insurance payout can take weeks. Meanwhile, the funeral home wants money in 48 hours. I'm not telling you that to sell you something. I'm telling you because a veteran who enrolls in VA Life and thinks they're completely done still has 3 gaps left: the 2 years, their spouse, and the timing. Go get the cover. It's yours, you earned it, and it's a good program. Just don't mistake it for a finished plan. Go to va.gov, search VA Life. Enrollment is online, approval is instant, and the rate tables are published right there so you can see exactly what it costs at your age. Do not call a number from a letter. Do not give your information to somebody who contacted you about veteran benefits. Go directly to the VA yourself. And let me be plain about my own position here, because you should always ask this about anybody giving you advice. You don't get paid if you enroll in VA Life. There's no commission on it. There's no agent involved at all. The whole thing is automated. Earn nothing from this video except your attention. I'm a licensed life insurance agent. I do sell life insurance. I'm telling you that up front, the same way I tell you on a phone call. I'm telling you to go get a government program that competes with what I sell, because you earned it and because I'd rather be the guy who told you. If you're a veteran and VA Life covers what you need, we're done, and I'm glad. If you've got a spouse who isn't covered, or you're worried about that 2-year window, or you want to understand how the timing actually works, the conversation I'm good at, and the links in the description. Verify everything I said, va.gov. Look me up too. Every state has a free license lookup. We'll love. One more thing, and I want to be straight with you about it. I may not be licensed in your state. So this video isn't me trying to get everybody watching to call me. If you're in one of my states and you want to talk, I'm here. But if you're not, that's okay too. Here's what you just learned. Use it to size up whatever agent you do have or whatever agent you're about to talk to. Ask them the same questions. See if they take the same time with you that I just did. I told you at the start of this video that the government will sell you $40,000, whole life insurance, and cannot turn you down for your health. Now you know the catch, and you know I earn nothing either way. That's the whole video, and I meant every word of it. If you're a veteran or you love one, hit like and subscribe for more of this. It's how this reaches the next veteran who's never heard of VA Life either. I'll see you in the next one.